Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robotic vacuum and mop combos. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max, and in the other corner, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q7 Max is priced at $599, while the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus comes in at $799. It's clear that the Q7 Max is the more affordable option here, offering great value for your money. When it comes to cleaning power, both these robots excel. The Q7 Max boasts a powerful 4,200 pascal suction, easily lifting debris and pet hair from floors, cracks, and carpets. It even increases suction on carpets for deep cleaning. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus utilizes the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7 Plus and offers a comprehensive 4-stage cleaning system to pull in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. Now let's talk about the vacuuming and mopping capabilities. The Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously, thanks to its electronic pump and 30 water flow levels. This feature allows you to fine-tune the cleaning process to match your floor types and preferences. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus offers the added convenience of converting from a vacuum to a vacuum and mop solution with a simple switch of the bin. Just fill the Roomba Combo bin with water or a compatible cleaning solution, and it's ready to tackle those hard floors. Smart navigation is crucial for efficient cleaning. The Q7 Max features PreciSense litter navigation, which builds precise 3D maps of your home and monitors cleaning routes efficiently. You can virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus comes with advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes, allowing it to navigate your home in neat, efficient rows without missing a spot. Both these robots come with additional features that enhance the overall cleaning experience. The Q7 Max combines its dustbin and water tank, allowing you to clean more without worrying about emptying or refilling. It also boasts a multi-directional floating all-rubber brush that resists hair tangles, making it ideal for long hair and pet hair. As for the Roomba Combo J5 Plus, it automatically empties its bin on its own for up to 60 days, saving you from the hassle of frequent emptying. It also knows what to clean and what to avoid, making it worry-free cleaning for you. After comparing the Roborock Q7 Max and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus in various categories, both these products have proven to be excellent choices. The Q7 Max offers deep cleaning, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, along with smart navigation features. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus provides powerful performance, automatic bin emptying, and the convenience of vacuuming and mopping in one machine. Thank you for watching Buy Smart. See you in the next video.